Jasmy, in every practical sense, acquired roughly 4.08% inside the most recent 24 hours, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The EMA 50 especially is presently at $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally is floating at $87,003,429, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Jasmy sort of has its by and large next obstruction at $0.006, showing that Jasmy for the most part has its essentially next opposition at $0.006, which for the most part is very huge. 07 November 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is truly momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, by and large is Jasmy, a sort of wise interest in a genuinely enormous manner. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, explicitly let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,325,730,169,204 in a significant manner. The truly complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $41,562,812,633, or so they really thought. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, or so they generally thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time span, or so they truly thought. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, generally is up by 2.1 and right now exchanging at 69 cents, showing how 07 November 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly especially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is in every practical sense. Momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, really is Jasmy a very wise venture, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem and in every way that really matters, significant way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a kind of descending bearing for genuinely present moment, which for the most part shows that these occasions demonstrate that the market generally is going in a sort of descending heading for all things considered, present moment, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Right now, an especially broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that Jasmy essentially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, or so they fundamentally thought. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which generally shows that the really complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $41,562,812,633, incredibly. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers basically become sort of more especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Jasmy sort of acquired roughly 4.08% inside the most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants really become move extremely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours, which especially is genuinely huge. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The truly current Jasmy coin cost truly is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in every practical sense, recent hours, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours. Especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, Jasmy truly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. So similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers most certainly become move truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours in an especially large manner. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 07 November 2023, inside an especially everyday time span, fundamentally made sense of beneath, in a sort of huge manner. We utilize relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to especially dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin. So following are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The ongoing Jasmy coin cost in a real sense is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the beyond 24 hours, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours. Or so they generally thought. The MACD line by and large is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, sort of additional appearance, how Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which in a real sense is very huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the kind of everyday diagram, so Jasmy fundamentally has its essentially next obstruction at $0.006, showing that Jasmy in a real sense has its really next opposition at $0.006, which certainly is very critical. The sort of relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin basically is right now drifting at 19 for 14 days, especially normal line, which in a real sense implies Jasmy truly is in oversold zone, and a pattern kind of inversion by and large is most certainly conceivable in a kind of huge manner. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer essentially is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange certainly signal for the most part is especially conceivable at this reach, showing how Jasmy